Yeah, it's hot as fish grease out here. Baby. I'm tired, the heat done drained me, and yeah.
Time's been
Ooh, Lord.
slowly,
Kami ramen, and nothing's changed. I get the same thing every time.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey, happy Friday, family, and welcome back to the channel. It is Friday, July 3rd, of course, the day before Independence Day. I don't actually celebrate the 4th of July, I celebrate Juneteenth. However, my job does acknowledge, of course, the 4th of July as a holiday. So with the holiday falling on a Saturday, they are acknowledging it today on Friday. So I am off work. Love that for me. I pray that you all are well. I pray that yeah, you're doing fantabulous. Wanted to drop in, let you know, hey, we're gonna do a daily vlog today. What time is it? It's probably almost noon, and I'm just picking up the camera. It's been a slow motion kind of morning, little bit of an emotional morning, just thinking about Jalen, thinking about my sis who I just lost recently, and yeah, just wanted to get myself together before I got on this camera and, you know, have some good energy for you all. But yeah, we're gonna get out. Y'all, I have been fiending for some vegan ramen, and we're going to get some today. I'm sorry. I've deprived myself long enough. I haven't had any since mom was here, and yeah, it's time to go back. So we will go on head over to Memphis and go and get us some ramen. Also, just gonna run a few errands, and yeah, of course, I'm taking you all along with me. So yeah, again, I pray that you are blessed. If you are new here, go ahead and pause this video, go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell while you're over there so that you won't miss any uploads. But if you are family and you've been here and you one of my A1 since day one, welcome back. Welcome back, and thank you for always showing up and showing out for your girl. So look here, let's get this day going. Before I get out in these streets, y'all, my stomach, it is growling. It say, you might be a little hungry, sis. So real quick, I'm just gonna eat me some watermelon, some yogurt, and some granola, and that's gonna hold me until it's time to go get some ramen. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all, and I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, family, so I'm headed out the door. We just got on something real simple today. Got on my little Michael Jackson t-shirt I wore to the Michael Jackson movie premiere. I said movie premiere, didn't I? Wait a minute. So yeah, I wore this shirt, but this is what I have on today. Just some plain ripped shorts. You've seen me in these shorts before. And my favorite little run errand sandals. They so comfortable. I get so many compliments on these sandals, y'all. I got them from Nordstrom Rack some years ago. But anyways, super comfortable. And yeah, I got my favorite. I would have to say this is probably my favorite Coach bag because it's just perfect size, crossbody, goes with everything. So, but anyways, yeah, we're getting up out of here, and I'll holler back. Yeah, it's hot as fish grease out here. Baby, if I ate eggs, I could drop an egg on this ground and fry it up. But since I don't, I can't. But it's hot. Just want y'all to know. I don't know why my door won't lock. There you go. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Go home, Tyria.
Hey y'all, look, I just left from out of Burlington. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all probably hear this air, and I ain't turning it off because, hold on, let me pause this music in my ear. I can't turn it off, y'all, it's too hot out here. Look here. I was hotter in Burlington than I was outside. I don't know, I just was sweating. I was like, I can't take it. And second of all, the line was way too long. And right now I'm okay with searching through some things, but I'd really rather not. I need to go in a store where the outfit is already put together. You know what I'm talking about? I'm out of there. We're gonna run to this farmer's market to see if they have any watermelons, grab that. I'm not gonna grab really nothing else because I don't wanna buy, you know, too many groceries at all. I'm not going to buy any groceries, let me just say that, because I am leaving next Thursday. So I have enough at the house, got plenty at the house. But the only thing I am going to buy today will be some yogurt. Yep, yogurt and this watermelon, because I can eat the watermelon up before Thursday. All right. One. Hey y'all, so I'm in my favorite spot, Kami Ramen, and nothing's changed. I get the same thing every time, spicy creamy vegan. So yeah, already placed my order. It never takes them a long time to get you your food. So let me see, it is 4:07. Just ordered. I'll let you know what time to get my food.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the drama you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more.
Hey family, so we are in Primark. First time getting in here, so we're gonna try a few things on and see what we can find.
5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going.
Hey family, so I've made it back home. Y'all, it is almost 7 o'clock. I've been in the streets all day. I'm tired. The heat done drained me, and yeah. Oh Lord Jesus, I was cutting up. But anyways, I did stop by Kroger. I did not film, but this is the only thing that I picked up. I'll just show you real quick. All right, this is it. I picked up yogurt. Again, I told you I did not need to get any groceries since I will be leaving on next weekend. And grabbed well, this is not the Simply Lemonade that I grabbed. I grabbed a blueberry one. I had a coupon for a free one and $1 off of 4 yogurts. And I just pulled this out of the refrigerator in the garage and swapped it with the one that I just picked up today. And this is our leftover ramen. I will probably, I don't know, I'm stuffed, so I'm not sure I'll even eat that. But if I'm up late again tonight like I was last night, that may be a late night late snack. All right, y'all, so I'll probably come back real quick just to show you what I picked up. 1 second. So there's a store called Primark. Some of you may be familiar with it. It came here to Memphis. It's probably been a year now, but this is my first time going in there because I don't go into that mall, Wolf Chase, often. But it was some decent things in there. It was for really good prices and everything. So I did pick up just, I think, like 2 things. Just trying to make sure I have everything I need for this trip. I'll just show you that in a few minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff in the refrigerator and then I'll call y'all back. Okay, family, so really quick, this is what I got from H&M. I'm not sure if you saw this or not. I'm gonna get everything laid out and I'll be right back. All right, so from H&M, this is a cute little, just a little cool, flowy little short dress. About a 3/4 sleeve. And I believe it was on sale, maybe? Yes, for $17.99. Similar. Also on sale was, I think this was on sale too. Yes. This one was $6.99. Black. All black. Similar to this one. This one is probably a little thinner, but that's okay. Just wear some dark undergarments up under it. And this is, I always grab these from H&M. Definitely when they're on sale. Do I have it backwards? Yeah, it's just a basic long sleeve. You probably can't see it because I just put it on top of this black dress, but just a basic long sleeve black shirt. And from Primark, grabbed a couple things for the trip. Can never have too, in my opinion, you can never have too many white tank tops. I think they were $4 a piece. And this is like just a biker short. Actually, it's like can be like an undergarment. Well, it is an undergarment. Actually can wear it up under those dresses because they are a little see-through. And needed some, I probably already have some of these, but I just grabbed another pair. Again, I think these were on clearance. Yeah, I don't have my glasses on, but I want to say it says $7. I think it says $7. Yeah, just some black shorts. I know they were talking about doing ATV riding or either zip lining, so these shorts will work for that. And that's all I got, guys. Alright, y'all, so I think that's all I got for you today. If I do anything else around the house, I will record it. But if not, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me for the day. I pray that the rest of your day is blessed. I pray that you have a blessed holiday and be safe. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment on the video. Let me know that you came to kick it with me for a little bit. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Be on the lookout for more videos more often. Yeah, that's what I'm working towards. So I look forward to seeing y'all next time. And hey, don't forget to hit that hype button. It helps and encourages you to push the video out a little bit more. All right, so yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace and blessings.
Get to know my